In the previous lesson, we talked about Persian sentence structure and how Persian usually follows subject, object, verb. Today, we are going to learn one of the most important parts of Persian grammar, verbs, and specifically the simple present tense. The present tense is used for actions that happen regularly, actions happening now, or things that are generally true. In English, we say things like I eat, you read, he goes, we speak. In Persian, we also change the verb depending on the person. But the good news is that Persian verb conjugation is actually very logical and predictable. Once you understand the pattern, you can use hundreds of verbs very easily. First, we need to understand something important. Every Persian verb starts from the infinitive form. The infinitive is the basic dictionary form of the verb. In English, examples would be to eat, to go, to read, to see. In Persian, most infinitives end with an or tan. For example, khordan means to eat, raftan means to go, khordan means to read, didan means to see, گفتن means to say, and neveshtan means to write. Before we conjugate the verb, we first remove the an ending to find the verb root. For example, khordan becomes khor, raftan becomes rav, khwandan becomes khan, didan becomes bin, گفتن becomes گو, and neveshtan becomes nevis. Now, to make the simple present tense in Persian, we usually use this structure: me plus verb root plus personal ending. The me part is extremely important. It usually shows that the action is happening in the present tense or regularly. Now, let's learn the personal endings. Am means I means you, ad means he or she, im means we, id means you plural, and means they. Let's start with one of the most common verbs, khordan, meaning to eat. Man mikhoram means I eat. To mikhori means you eat. او میخورد means he or she eats. ما میخوریم means we eat. شما میخورید means you eat plural. آنها میخورند means they eat. Now, let's break one of them down. میخورم is made from me plus khor plus am. This is the basic formula for many Persian verbs. Now, let's use this verb in real sentences. من سیب میخورم. I eat an apple. او پیتزا میخورد. He or she eats pizza. ما امروز برنج میخوریم. We eat rice today. In Persian, we often do not repeat the subject because the verb ending already tells us who is doing the action. For example, میخورم already sounds like I eat. So sometimes Persians simply say سیب میخورم, meaning I am eating an apple. Now, let's learn another useful verb. رفتن, meaning to go. من میروم. تو میروی, او میرود. ما میرویم. شما میروید. آنها میروند. Examples: من به مدرسه میروم. I go to school. او به کافه میرود. He or she goes to the cafe. ما به لندن میرویم. We go to London. Now, let's learn داشتن, meaning to have. من دارم. تو داری. او دارد. ما داریم. شما دارید. آنها دارند. Examples: من یک کتاب دارم. I have a book. او دوست زیاد دارد. He or she has many friends. ما وقت نداریم. We do not have time. Notice this carefully. نه makes the verb negative. دارم means I have, and ندارم means I do not have. Now, let's learn خواندن, meaning to read. من میخوانم. تو میخوانی. او میخواند. ما میخوانیم. شما میخوانید. آنها میخوانند. Examples: من کتاب میخوانم. I read a book. او مجله میخواند. He or she reads a magazine. شما چی میخوانید؟ What are you reading? The Persian simple present tense can describe regular actions, general truths, habits, and actions happening now. For example, من قهوه میخورم means I drink coffee regularly. But Persian speakers also use present tense for actions happening right now. For example, الان فیلم میبینم. I am watching a movie right now. In English, we separate I watch and I am watching. But in Persian, the same tense is often used for both, and context tells us the meaning. This makes Persian easier in many situations. Now, let's quickly learn didan, meaning to see. من میبینم. تو میبینی. او میبیند. ما میبینیم. شما میبینید. آنها میبینند. Examples: من دوستم را میبینم. I see my friend. او تلویزیون میبیند. He or she watches television. ما فیلم میبینیم. We watch movies. Now, let's practice a little more. من مینویسم means I write. او مینویسد means she writes. ما مینویسیم means we write. The infinitive is neveshtan, meaning to write, and the root becomes nevis. Then mi plus nevis plus am equals minevisam. Now, you can probably see the pattern very clearly. That is why Persian verbs become easier after some practice. Once your brain understands the formula, you can start using many verbs naturally. So, today we learned how Persian infinitives work, how to find the verb root, how to use the present marker me, and how to conjugate common verbs in the simple present tense. Keep practicing and try making your own sentences using verbs like khordan, raftan, didan, khordan, neveshtan, and dashtan. See you in the next lesson.